Hi, today we are kicking off an incredibly exciting project. We are transforming this house into a contemporary sanctuary that perfectly blends modern design with comfort and style. The success of every project relies on four key factors: design, planning, communication, and execution. That's why I've partnered with Leman Construction. With years of experience in the construction industry, they bring tremendous value by turning my vision into reality. For the client, this means impeccable craftsmanship, a project completed on time and within budget, and a stress-free process where all materials, finishes, and fixtures are carefully selected in advance. The bin is here, which means the work is officially underway. Let's step inside. The staircase is one of the standout features of any home, much like the kitchen in terms of value and design impact. In this house, the staircase is the first thing you see upon entering, and it's about to get a stunning upgrade. We are going for a sleek contemporary look, floating risers, integrating LED lighting and glass railings. It's going to be absolutely spectacular. The home office will also undergo a dramatic makeover. With so many people working from home, it's essential to create a space that not only boosts productivity, but also impresses your coworkers on video calls. Every detail is carefully considered, from functional design to showcasing personal collectibles, like in this project. I can't wait to see this house completely transformed. It's going to be unrecognizable. Hi everyone! Today is the big reveal and I cannot wait to show you the transformation. This staircase is one of the main features of the home. Floating steps with integrated lighting, glass railings, and perfect proportions. It's elegant, contemporary, and incredibly well executed. Another favorite detail: these interior doors. The concealed door to the powder room gives the main floor a sleek, seamless look. Inside we have a custom vanity, porcelain slabs, accent lighting, and wallpaper that brings texture and depth. Even the faucet finish matches the metal trim on the baseboards. Those small details are what define a truly high-end renovation. And look at this opening, framed in agar wood panels. Such a small element, but makes a huge design impact. It's details like this that elevate a home from nice to exceptional. The hallway features commercial-grade wallpaper and more concealed doors, keeping the floor clean and minimal. Now welcome to the primary bedroom. This is where design meets emotion. When you compare the final result to the original rendering, it's almost identical. That's what happens when design and construction work hand in hand. Custom wall paneling, floating bedside tables, warm wood paired with cool gray, a timeless combination. I also love the track lighting with integrating reading lights. Practical, elegant, and beautifully detailed. The walk-in closet offers ample storage while keeping the look refined. In the ensuite, large porcelain slabs, a no-step shower with channeled glass, and custom vanities create a spa-like retreat. And this vapor fireplace, it adds that unexpected touch of warmth and ambience that makes the space unforgettable. Now, this is how an executive home office should look: sophisticated and bold. Stretch ceilings, custom millwork, and rich materials make it both functional and luxurious. The kids' bedrooms feature built-in millwork and concealed doors. Here is a designer tip. Replacing walls with millwork can save up to 6 inches of space and make the room feel much larger. The second bathroom ties everything together with onyx details and a custom vanity. Downstairs we have a home gym with a cold plunge, additional bedroom, bathroom and lots of storage. The wood panel details continue here too, maintaining a consistent, thoughtful design language throughout the home. Thank you so much for watching this reveal. When design vision meets construction excellence, this is the result. Let me know in the comments which part of the project inspired you the most, and don't forget to subscribe for more design transformations.